Would you date a guy who has been with many girls? And before you say past doesn't matter, I'll ask you one thing. If he can leave everyone, what makes you so sure that he won't leave you? I mean, he can say that he has changed, he was immature, he says are different. But what is the guarantee that he'll change or he'll change for you? So today we are talking about something girls don't say it loud, but fear of becoming another chapter in someone's history. Okay, so there is a guy who likes you, you like him. मतलब दोनों तरफ से the situation is happening, and but then you got to know about his past. मतलब उसके past में काफ़ी लड़कियां रह चुकी हैं, somewhere casual, somewhere situationship, and maybe कुछ emotional manipulation kind of a thing. And then when you question him, he's like कि मतलब it was a phase, I was immature, but I'll change for you, you're different. And the point you'll hear you're different, it will stuck in your mind, because what do you mean by you're different? This is the same phrase you must have used for different girls. हर इंसान को आप बोलते हो कि you're different, you're different, you're different. And then what you do eventually? You leave. And you leave and the girl have that question mark in her mind that I was different. Then why did he leave me? And girl, you know your answer. Why did he leave you? And मतलब ठीक है, he left me, okay, everything is fine. And past doesn't mean कि oh my god he had a body count of 2 digit etc etc. ठीक है, it's his life, it's his body, we are no one to judge. But it's about pattern means कि if he has been in contact with the last girl, things went मतलब well, पर बाद में अचानक से ऐसा क्या हो जाता है and he leaves. So जब अच्छा सब कुछ जा रहा था, he can leave. Why can't he leave you? What will stop him to leave you? That's the question. And शायद वो तुमसे बोर हो जाए जैसे वो उससे बोर हो गया. शायद उसको आदत है इतने ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस को entertain करने का, तो he might feel like कि why should I be with some मतलब be with one girl if I can have many? Why should I commit? There are many questions that will come in your mind and it will somewhere fuck your mind ki, oh my god, what am I even doing? And the worst part, you don't want to judge him. Somewhere you will be like ki, I am judging him for his past, I'm such a bad human. Girl, you're not. Believe your intuition, believe it. Because whenever you'll feel like कि नहीं यार ये बंदा सही नहीं है मेरे लिए, because of his past or his present behavior etc etc, just believe your intuition, please. Please, for the very first time, believe your intuition. Your intuition will always tell you what's right for you. Like I have been there and I have not heard my intuition, and later words I get what many girls get. Okay, so please trust your intuition. Yeah. And like, if someone says कि he'll change, you know what that mean. But ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि लोग चेंज नहीं होते, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. पीपल डू चेंज, बट देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. देयर आर टू थिंग्स. मैं तेरे लिए चेंज होऊंगा. सेकेंड, मैं चेंज होऊंगा बिकॉज मुझे मेरा पास्ट वर्जन नहीं पसंद है. सो अगर ही इज द सेकेंड वन हु एक्सेप्ट और हु रियलाइजेस कि वॉट आई वॉज बिफोर एंड इट वॉज नॉट नाइस, तो आई शुड चेंज, वो ठीक है. बट इफ ही इज एट द फर्स्ट थिंग कि ओ आई विल चेंज फॉर यू, तो मे बी कल आपके साथ सीन उसका नहीं बैठ रहा है, यू आर क्वेश्चनिंग हिम और एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, ही विल लाइक कि नो व्हाई, just what we say that कि leave the girl, she's creating so much chaos in my life, let's leave her. तो अगर वो पहले सेकेंड रीजन की वजह से चेंज हुआ रहेगा तो ही माइट बी ओके. बट अगर वो तुम्हारे लिए चेंज हुआ तो वो तुम्हारे लिए चेंज होने के लिए रुक भी सकता है ना. नहीं, मुझे नहीं चेंज होना इस लड़की के लिए, शी इज सच अ हेडेक, आई कांट डील विथ हर, जस्ट leave her and get someone else. And boys always choose a easier option, someone who is easy to go with, someone who is easy to deal with. They don't want challenges in their life. They'll be like, "Hey, I'm dealing with my life already, there's already chaos, I want someone who is easy to maintain, who has low maintenance, low standard etc etc." To the point you'll start questioning him, जो भी उसका मैं तेरे लिए चेंज होऊंगा सब कुछ बंद हो जाएगा. स्टॉप. एंड लाइक ऐसा भी नहीं कि नहीं होते, देयर आर पीपल हु हाँ, जो लोगों को रियलाइजेशन है वो चेंज होते हैं एंड समटाइम थिंग्स वर्क आउट. इट रियली डू वर्कआउट। मतलब आप उनके एक्शंस में चेंजेस देखोगे, उनके टोनालिटी में चेंजेस देखोगे, एंड देन दैट पर्सन विल बी कंसिस्टेंट टुवर्ड्स यू, एंड वो वैलिडेशन के लिए नहीं भटकेगा, और वो आपके जो आपका जो बाउंड्रीज है वो अंडरस्टैंड करके लेगा। मतलब यू डोंट नीड टू आस्क फॉर इट, ही विल अंडरस्टैंड बाय हिमसेल्फ। तब आप वहाँ पर देख सकते हो या फिर समझ सकते हो कि हाँ, पीपल डू चेंज फॉर यू, एंड इट इज़ वेरी रेयर सिनेरियो, इट इज़, बिकॉज बहुत ही रेयरली ऐसा होता है। अदरवाइज पीपल विल मेक फूल ऑफ यू कि आई चेंज फॉर यू, आई चेंज फॉर यू, बट दे वोंट, बिकॉज इट्स टोटली इनसाइड देम। वो उनका कैरेक्टर है, एंड कोई अपना कैरेक्टर नहीं चेंज करता है। दे मे चेंज द गर्ल बट दे वोंट चेंज देयर कैरेक्टर। सो गर्ल, बी अवेयर। एंड और मतलब डर इसी बात का होता है यार, कि जो उसने पहले लड़कियों के साथ किया था, काश मतलब कहीं वो मेरे साथ ना कर दे, मैं उसका अनदर चैप्टर ना बन के रह जाऊँ, मैं तो इतना इमोशनली इन्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, एंड विच इज़ वैलिड। आई मीन टाइम इज़ रियली प्रीशियस। आप क्यों किसी ऐसे पे खर्च करना चाहोगे जिसके साथ आपका फ्यूचर कन्फर्म ही नहीं है? वाई? तो मतलब यू बीइंग इन दैट स्टेट ऑफ माइंड कि मतलब कंफ्यूजन वाले स्टेट में रहना, इट इज टोटली वैलिड। आई मीन इट्स नॉट योर फॉल्ट, it's his fault that he's putting you in that position where you have to like stay in a state of mind where you're confused. So it's not your fault, girl and boy, कोई भी हो सकता है ऐसा। मैं टोटली लड़कियों की तरफ रिलाई नहीं करती। आप instead of asking him, will you change, will you change, will you change, ask yourself, do you feel safe? Do you feel chosen? Do you feel respected? If you do, then your answer is clear. And if you're not, am I supposed to say anything? Yeah. And if you're not, if the answers are no, or answers are maybe, maybe not, still you have your answer, because love is not equals to confusion. It is equal to clarity. If you are with someone who loves you, you'll always have that security and peace of mind. But if you are with someone who does not love you, who does not respect you or value you, you'll always be in that position or state of mind where you're confused. You're just figuring it out, कि what's happening to me, what's happening to me. So it's always better to be in a position where you feel secure or clear in your mind, rather be with someone who gives you clarity for your peace of mind. And there is one quote, I'll read it out for you. You just don't have to compete with his past, you have to protect your future. And it is really meaningful कि आप किस उसके पास के साथ लड़ रहे हो, झगड़ रहे हो, why were you dating 10 girls before me, why, अरे stop the fuck, why? देखो नहीं जम रहा है बहन, छोड़ ना। कौन रोक रहा है तुझे भाई? इज ही फोर्सिंग यू? नो ना, इट डजंट गिव अ डैम। तू जाएगी, कोई और आएगी उसकी लाइफ में। सो इफ यू आर नॉट ओके विद इट, जस्ट लीव द फक ऑफ एंड फाइंड समवन हु हैज अ क्लियर एंड sober past, who is not sleeping with 10 people. So it's your choice, choose whatever you want, no one is forcing you. Oh my god, why do I feel like I'm screaming? It's not like that, okay? So I just want to say this and end the video, like, if you have ever been in such a situation, comment, I relate. Comment, like, I'll understand how many girls has been going through this. And if you're currently dealing with it, girl, I would like to say one thing: believe yourself, believe your worth, that you really deserve something which is better for you, and someone who is better for you, and someone who gives you clarity rather than confusion, I request. So if you like my video, क्या करोगे आप? लाइक करोगे, and that's it. See you in the next one. Love you.